Hello there, fourth graders, and welcome to your next math lesson. Today's math lesson is called Divide Multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. Okay, so divide multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000. How do we divide when we're dealing with multiples of 10? Well, first of all, let's just look at a simple division problem like 12 divided by 2. A lot of you know the answer to 12 divided by 2 because since you know that 2 times 6 equals 12, you know that 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And we can also see that by if we draw 12 cookies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we circle groups of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get 6 groups of 2 cookies within 12. That's why 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And also, again, that's the reverse of the multiplication problem. 2 times 6 equals 12. Well, as long as you know that 12 divided by 2 equals 6, it's just as easy to do 120 divided by 2. Because all you have to do is divide the non-zero parts of the number. So underline the part of the dividend that's not a 0 and divide that by 2. What's 12 divided by 2? It's 6. And then however many zeros there are in the dividend, you just add that to the right of the quotient. So there's 1 0 and 120, so we add that to the right of the 6 in the quotient, and 120 divided by 2 is 60. Or what if it's 1,200 divided by 2? Again, just underline the 12 and the 2, the non-zero parts. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and since there's 2 zeros in the dividend, we add 2 zeros to the right of the quotient. So 1,200 divided by 2 is 600. Okay, let's apply this to some other problems. Let's say we have 3,600 divided by 4. Now, you could set this up as a long division problem like this, and you could find the answer that way using divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down, dirty monkeys smell crazy bad. You could do it that way, but there's an easier way. Since you know that 36 divided by 4 equals 9, since you know that 4 times 9 equals 36, so 36 divided by 4 equals 9, it's easy to do this problem too. Just look at the 36 and look at the 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9, and then since there's 2 zeros in the dividend, we just add 2 zeros to the right of the 9 in the quotient, and 3,600 divided by 4 is 900. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 280 divided by 7. Well, that might seem kind of hard. It might seem like you have to do an actual long division problem in order to figure that out, but really you don't. Because since 28 is a multiple of 7, you can just do 28 divided by 7, that's 4. And then you take this 1 0 from the dividend and drop it to the right of the 4 in the quotient, and 280 divided by 7 is 40. Let's do another example. Let's say we have 54,000 divided by 9. Now that might seem like, wow, that's a big dividend, 54,000. How are we going to solve that? We'll have to do a really long division problem. No, you don't have to do a long division problem at all. Just do 54 divided by 9, and you get 6, because 6 times 9 equals 54, so 54 divided by 9 equals 6. And then you take these 1, 2, 3 zeros in the dividend, and you drop them to the right of the 6 in the quotient. So 54,000 divided by 9 is 6,000. Okay? Hopefully this makes sense to you guys. I'm going to go ahead and give you a few to do independently. And so go ahead and do 1,800 or 1,800 divided by 2. Do 630 divided by 9. Do 4,500 divided by 5. Go ahead and solve those three independently. Actually, first press pause in this video, then solve these three problems independently using the strategy that I just taught you. And then when you've finished doing your very best on these, go ahead and press play on the video to see if you did them correctly. Okay, hopefully you have all three of these solved the best that you can do independently. And you pressed play on this video after you were finished with that. Let's see if you did it correctly. Here we have 1,800 divided by 2. Remember, step 1 is underline the non-zero parts. So we underline the 18 and the 2, and we just do that. What's 18 divided by 2? Well, since 2 times 9 equals 18, 18 divided by 2 is 9. And by the way, you can use your times table chart for that. Look, 18 divided by 2. All you have to do is go to 2, go to 18, and go straight up. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Since 9 times 2 equals 18, 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, we were right here. 18 divided by 2 is 9, but 1,800 divided by 2 isn't 9, because we have to take these 1, 2 zeros from the dividend and drop them to the right of the 9 in the quotient. So 1,800 divided by 2 is 900. Okay, now here, 630 divided by 9. Do 63 divided by 9. And if you don't know what 63 divided by 9 is, again, you can use your times table chart. You go to 9, you get as close to, or you find 63, and then you go straight up. So 63 divided by 9 equals 7. So we put a 7 here. So 63 divided by 9 is 7, but 630 divided by 9 isn't 7, because we have to take this 0 in the dividend, and we need to drop it to the right of the 7 in the quotient. So 630 divided by 9 is 70. Here, just underline the 45 and the 5 and think, what's 45 divided by 5? Well, since 5 times 9 equals 45, 45 divided by 5 equals 9. And then we take these two zeros from the dividend and we drop them to the right of the 9 in the quotient. So 4,500 divided by 5 is 900. Okay, hopefully this lesson made sense to you today. Make sure you do the quiz, which is attached beneath this video in the Math Google Classroom, and I will catch you next time. This is Mr. Dauber signing off. Get out of here.